The Spirit of Laws.
Written by Baron de Montesquieu.
First published in the year 1748. New Living Translation Version. Book 1. Of Laws in General. Chapter 1. Of the relation of laws to different beings. In the broadest sense, laws are the necessary relationships that arise from the very nature of things. In this way, all beings operate under their own set of laws. God has his laws, the physical world its laws, being superior to humans their laws, animals their laws, and humans their laws. Those who claim that blind chance produced the diverse effects we see in the world are speaking nonsense. What could be more unreasonable than to suggest that blind chance could create intelligent beings? Therefore, there must be a fundamental reason behind everything. Laws are simply the relationships between this reason and all other beings, and the relationships between those beings themselves. God relates to the universe as its creator and sustainer. The laws by which he created all things are the very laws by which he maintains them. He acts according to these rules because he understands them. He understands them because he made them. And he made them because they reflect his wisdom and power. Since we observe that the world, though made of moving matter and lacking understanding, has endured for countless ages, its movements must be governed by unchanging laws. And if we could imagine another world, it too would need consistent rules, or it would inevitably collapse. Thus, creation, which might seem like an arbitrary act, implies laws as unchanging as the idea of fate held by atheists. It would be absurd to say that the Creator could govern the world without these rules, since without them, it could not exist. These rules are fixed and unchanging relationships. In moving objects, motion is received, increased, decreased, or lost based on the relationships between the amount of matter and its speed. Every variation is a form of uniformity, and every change, a form of consistency. Individual intelligent beings can make their own laws, but they are also subject to laws they did not create. Before intelligent beings existed, they were possible. Therefore, possible relationships existed, and consequently, possible laws. Before laws were made, there were relationships of possible justice. To say that justice and injustice are only what is commanded or forbidden by human laws is like saying that before a circle was drawn, all its radii were not equal. Therefore, we must acknowledge that relationships of justice existed before the laws that established them. For example, if human societies existed, it would be right to follow their laws. If intelligent beings received a benefit from another being, they should show gratitude. If one intelligent being created another, the latter should remain dependent. If one intelligent being harms another, it deserves retribution, and so on.